Hi everyone, I'm Lottiey Gregson-Stevenson, Art Director, Educator and Label M Product Expert at Toni&Guy Guildford. So the look I'm going to be showing you today is how to create a faux undercut. So this is going to include 2 braids on one side of my hair and movement throughout the rest. Don't worry about your braiding guys, I'm going to make it as simple as possible, and remember, practice makes perfect. So what we're going to do is use the Label M soft wax now. So about half a pump, we're going to rub it into our fingers and we're going to work it through those roots. So we're going to do a classic braiding plaiting technique. So I'm going to take a vertical section, a nice small vertical section, into 3 sections. And we're going to bring the right one under to the middle, the left one under to the middle, right one under to the middle, and the left one under to the middle, so you can see the beginning of my braid. So I'm going to add hair in each time, adding hair into the middle section, so I'm going to continue to braid. So exactly the same technique as what I did on the first. Vertical section to start with, splitting that into 3, and we're going to go left under to the middle, right under to the middle, left under to the middle, right under to the middle. And this is where we're going to add a section of hair, guys, okay? So I'm going to hold that braid there. So taking another little piece of hair vertically, and we are going to add it to our middle section. So you're going to go left under to the middle, right under to the middle. You're going to add another piece of hair. Right guys, so now my braids are completed. I'm now going to apply the sea salt spray. And using my Label M wand, we're going to wrap quite a big section of hair through there. Obviously, if your hair's a bit shorter, use the tighter end of the wand. And remember guys, this isn't a glamorous look, we just want to create a nice little bit of movement. Favourite part, it's the styling part. Don't worry, I'm not leaving it like this. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to work my fingers through it first of all, and then work your fingers, just shake it all out. Remember, you want it playful, not glamorous. Perfect. That nice bit of body that we've got through there, through that front section. And you obviously can't finish a look like this without the hairspray. The hairspray is amazing as well because it's got vitamins in and a UV shield. So guys, this is the completed look, and I hope that you like it.